It's been a growing problem made worse by the pandemic. The opioid crisis can hit rural communities especially hard. WEAU's Maria Blau shares how a new federal grant is hoping to help connect the right resources to rural areas.
We've had people that we were working with that have died recently, parents of children from opioid overdoses. So it has been impacting our community as well.
Tim Easker with Chippewa County Human Services has seen substance abuse like opioid addiction impact the communities he serves.
We've seen an increase in substance use, and we've seen it in drug court. We've seen it in CPS, individuals who had been relatively stable and engaging in their recovery when the pandemic came along. AA, NA, those meetings were shut down for a period of time.
Even before the pandemic, in rural areas, there have been barriers like distance preventing people from getting help.
Transportation, access to treatment, that's an issue in rural areas. There's a lot of poverty in the counties that are a part of this grant.
A $1 million federal grant awarded to the L.E. Phillips Libertas Treatment Center in Chippewa Falls is hoping to solve problems like this in counties like Chippewa. Its goal is to prevent, treat, and help people recover from opioid addiction. For the treatment center's director, Tony Simonson, ending stigmas around addiction is key.
There is a public perception that using opioids or other substances is a choice, and versus looking at it as a disease or an illness. And so we really need to work on that.
Another major issue, getting enough treatment providers.
We've identified as a major shortage of treatment providers and professionals. So there isn't a lot of people who are have the education, background, training, or desire to deliver care to people with opioid use disorders.
Simonson hopes federal dollars will help fill in this gap. The grant's funding begins on September 1st and lasts for 3 years. In Chippewa Falls, Maria Blau, WEAU 13 News.
And the grant will serve Chippewa, Barron, Rusk, and Washburn counties. Well, this